one SEO opportunity, that is a search engine optimization opportunity, that is especially the concept is traffic sources for affiliate marketing. That is the concept, traffic sources for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, traffic sources are where and how. Traffic sources for affiliate marketing, the top 6 sources to get free traffic to your website within the first weeks. Repeat this strategy every day and you will see some increase in your website traffic. In case you have some budget to invest, then paid ads are there for best solution. You can use platforms such as Quora ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, and more are there. LinkedIn ads are there. LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, all these are ads provider for paid ads also. You can you manually, if you want to do, you can do manually also with your link and everything. That is according to your choice. I am sharing these strategies and I am using and having some results with let us now dive into the top 6 places to get free traffic to your blog. First one is email marketing, top priority for beginners and experts. Email marketing is the best way to turn readers into buyers. If you don't know anything about email marketing, visit the post in my space. There are several websites that helps to do email marketing, but the good ones are less. Finding the best email marketing softwares is the hardest thing for affiliate marketing. Your open rates, landing pages, email templates, all are depending on which email marketing software you are using. Only a few features of GetResponse free plan. Paid plans has more features that doesn't have any other email marketing softwares, including the free plan features lowest. Paid plan is $15 per month. You can add up to 500 contacts for free plan, create unlimited high converting landing pages. You can send 500 emails per day for free. You can schedule your emails for a perfect time period. Add autoresponders to email marketing funnels. You can create a sign up form and create and contact form and website builder. Connect with your domain. Paid plans has more features that doesn't have any other email marketing softwares, including the free plan features. Lowest paid plan is $15 per month. And LinkedIn is one of the best social networks that will help you grow and get traffic. LinkedIn has more than 1.5 billion visits per month. If you are legitimate, you will get your first conversion in first week. How is that? Simply go and click any on create an article and post an article, title and body, and add 1 or 2 links of your website landing page. Then Quora means Quora.com. Our job today is to go to our profiles in Quora and then we will create a space from there. Create a space and name it whatever you want. Then write a small clean description. Finally post your blog articles in the Quora space. Then Medium.com is also one website. Simply go to the top right corner and click on write a story like always. copy paste your title, body and images, and mix is there, that means mix.com. Simply click on the plus icon on the top right corner and paste your link here. Your blog post will be automatically imported to Mix. And Pinterest is there, that is pin wise. Every image will be considered as a pin. Pin with the description will be there, that is the Pinterest. And board also will be there. It will ask what is create a pin, then image will be there, then description will be there, and then create a board. It will ask which board it is relating to that. It will ask, then it will save out. Pinterest is the people are using such features unlike Facebook and other social networks. So your content may rank higher on Pinterest. Especially Pinterest is USA related, even though all can use in the world. You can post your articles here by simply clicking on create a pin, then enter your URL, title and description, and think of creating awesome visuals, that is pin images, to attract people's attention. You can use Canva for that. This is the traffic source of sources of affiliate marketing. In email marketing, one technique is there. Light14.us is one website is there. In that website, if you open that and you go into the Google search engine. In Google search engine, @gmail.com, comma, category, your required category or location. If you write it, it will give some description of from 100 pages, from 10 to 100 pages. In that, leave first 2, 3, 4 pages, because first 2 or 3 pages are very rich and they won't accept emails. So other emails they won't accept. So that time, after 2 pages, take third page onwards, copy up to end, you paste it. After pasting it, if you put it in the light14.us website, then copy paste that. Once pasting, automatically if you submit it, it will search it and it will gives in email wise it will describe. Then you can use the same in your then copy paste the same into .csv or any text something, you can use it. Then you can use bulk emails, you can send it. But one thing, email marketing is very good, but at the same time so dangerous also, because you are sending the email to once in a day. In a month it is okay. Otherwise, every day you are sending means customers will be frustrated and they will complain against you also. So don't get such situation. Every month, any day, one day, 1st or 10th or 20th, whatever it may be, in a random day, you select and send email. You do email marketing on bulk. Up to that, copy paste your things and everything, then ready after 1 month. Every day, month, if you are doing likewise, means you will get very healthy atmosphere and you will get very good links also, and it is very easy also. That is one of the way. And one thing I will say that in social media marketing, especially traffic sources for affiliate marketing is, especially what I like is especially Twitter, Facebook and LinkedIn. These three I will use very heavily. In these three I will manually put into social media about my video or web page, and image also I will put it. Likewise, it will give a very good traffic to you also. But I will also not put every time, every day the same message. I won't put it. Today one page in my web page, in my website, so many pages are there. Today one newly updated web project will be there. That web page I will put it. and second day another project will be there, and third day another project will be there. Even I am having a YouTube video also, see your needs, same, that is also www.seeyourneeds.in. This is also see your needs, YouTube channel is there. In that also, if I download YouTube videos, especially short videos, especially from Pixels, what I will do is I will upload the same into Twitter or Facebook or LinkedIn, any one channel only, but all channels in only one social media site only, but all sites I won't use, because it is a misusing concept will be there. So that if I do likewise, it will give a healthy atmosphere to you, and you will get a very good response, and your views will be increased, and your and people. But without social media marketing, you cannot show. Suppose very good. Suppose in an ocean, one ship is there. In that ship, lot of gold is there. But without knowing others, how you can catch that? So social media marketing is most important, and by that you are exposing your things. What is your web page, and what is your YouTube video, and everything, if you know, and if you are exposing to the social media, that is comfortable. But it should not be repeated and repeated again and again. If you do likewise, you will always be successful, and be careful and be successful. Definitely you will get very good profits by affiliate marketing also. Wishing you all the best.